What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel here, and I'm back for another battle of the boxes. And I've got a treat for you guys this month because instead of just the 2 boxes, Moto Delivered and the Brat box, we now have a 3rd box to add to the battle, and it's the Prime Moto Mystery Box. So let's start out the June battle of the boxes with the Moto Delivered box. If you're not familiar with these boxes, guys, they are Moto mystery boxes. You have an idea of what's going to come in them, what kind of things are going to come in them, but you don't know exactly what you're going to get from what brands. It's all stuff that is pretty universally needed by your race program. Moto Delivered June box right here. Got a decal here. We've got an Alpine Star jersey. Take a look at that. See what line this is. This is the Fluid Chaser, and this is in a large because we signed up for a large. What else do we have in here? O'Neill Pro MX socks. Everybody can use more riding socks, don't care who you are. And then we also have Maxima Bio Wash, a biodegradable advanced microchemistry wash, guys. So that, yep, that's it. That's what you're gonna get in your June Moto Delivered. So let's set this one aside, and now let's check out our new box this month, Prime Moto. As you can see, I'm breaking the seals on these. I have not seen what's inside of these either. Alright, my first time opening a Prime Moto box. Alright, we have some Tusk grips, black half waffle, Rhino Power protein mix. We've got some Muck Off racing gloves. I actually didn't know Muck Off even made gloves, so that's pretty cool. These are pink and black, size large like we signed up with. And then we also have some Muck Off all-weather chain lube. Inside of the box here, we get our Prime Moto sticker. Just a reminder, the Prime Moto and the Moto Delivered boxes are $54.99 plus shipping. So now let's check out the Brat box. June Brat box. I won't even like tearing up this tissue paper, guys. All right, so we're starting out on top with a Thor jersey. This is the Thor Pulse S22 in cube black and mint, in the size we signed up for, so that's pretty cool. We have a pair of Thor MX socks. We have a nice little brush from Muck Off. It's just a detailing brush. I'm sure you could use this thing for a ton of different uses. We have Rhino Power Carbo Fuel drink mix packet. A Thor lanyard. Everybody loves lanyards. Some more Rhino Power. This is the Motivation gel caps. We have some stickers in here. Fly Racing, AOMC. We have some Fab One spray on air filter oil. And then of course, just like every month, this month's Racer X Illustrated. So the first 2 boxes, the Prime Moto and Moto Delivered, are $54.99 plus shipping, and the Brat box is $59.99. So what do you guys think? Which one do you think is the best deal? Which one do you think had the coolest items? I'd love to hear about it. Please leave it down in the comments, and I'll be back next month with another battle of the boxes from these 3 again. Ryan with the MXG channel. See you in the next video.